Hi friends, welcome to Spectrum Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 1.4 His First Flight. So, workshop of this topic. So, I made one video related with this topic, His First Flight. You can see the link of this video in the description given below. You can visit to that link and you can see my video related with this topic and try to understand the meaning of this topic. So first of all, we will start the English workshop questions one by one related with this topic. So question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. A. The young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wing. Yes, this is a true statement. B. The young seagull's parents guided and improved his siblings in the art of flying. It is also true statement. When the young seagull pretended to be falling asleep, his parent noticed him. This is a false statement. D. Flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into the beak. This is also a false statement. So now question number 2. Complete the following statements. So first, the seagull is afraid to fly because the reason behind this, she thought that his small short wings would never support him to fly and he would fall and drown in the sea. B. Young birds are afraid to make their first flight because they are not confident at their first flight. C. Human beings find it difficult to face great challenges because I think human being is afraid to take challenges. Taking first step, when they stand and try to take further steps, they are afraid of falling, losing something, getting injured, but they are cautious and alert, but they do not give up. Question number 3 is, read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentence of your own and write it in notebook. You have to make meaningful sentence related with these different words. So you can see here I made sentences related with these words. Plentifully first, I want to go to bed. Ayush said plentifully. Beacon. They were all beckoning him to join their team, but he did not respond. Wait. If ox falls, whet your knife. 4. Soar. The young seagull commanded himself to dive and soar and curve. 5. Curveting. The eagle was curveting to land onto the ground to catch his prey. 6 number. It's absolutely monstrous to pay men more than women for the same job. Next question is, read the following words carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word given in bracket. So here are some words given in the bracket: afraid, plunged, appeared, shrilly, scheme, devout and cowardice. You have to use these words in the sentences given below. Arun is full of cowardice. B. The violin played very shrilly and merrily. C. Ravi said, are you afraid really of dark? D. The whole village plunged into darkness. The lions devoured their prey hungrily. He skimmed through the report. G. One by one the stars appeared in the sky. Read about the space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you are going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 questions, revealed questions regarding. Okay, such questions will ask in exam for 4 or 5 marks related with the framing interview questions. You have to frame at least 10 or 8 or 10 questions related with that particular topic. So here we have to take interview of the Sunita Williams and we have to frame the questions related with that topic. Hello ma'am, I will start like this. Hello ma'am, Congratulations on your great achievement in the space mission. May I ask you a few questions about mission and your space mission? Question number 1. Ma'am, could you please tell me about your village, family and primary education? Question number 2. Who motivated you to choose this field in your life? Third question, like, when and where did you begin your astronaut candidate training? Question number 4. When were you selected by NASA for astronaut program? Question number 5. Will you please tell me about your experience at NASA? Question number 6. How many days did you stay in the space? Question number 7. How did the government of India honor you? Question number 8. Will you like to share any incident of you in NASA with us? Question number 9. Tell us about your guru who helped you to reach at this destination. And question number 10. What is your message to the young Indian generation? Or you can ask question like this: what you want to give message to the today's young generation? So you can frame such questions. Describe in your notebook the challenges you faced while learning to ride a bicycle or swimming or any skill. Take hint from the web to complete your write-up. So here, learning bikes, which challenges? First, confidence. Second, risk. Third, daring. And last, fear. So you have to write related this. Riding a bicycle. Many of us think that learning bicycle is a simple task. It is not that much easy. It is quite difficult and challenging too. When you begin to learn cycle, you must have to drive away and win over the fear of falling. While learning bicycle, we have to keep one thing in mind, is that you may fall once or twice, maybe sometime injured. So you have muster up courage for learning bicycle and don't be afraid of falling. As a beginner, don't fully depend on trainer or a supporter, otherwise you will never learn cycling. You should try to ride yourself with a determination. You must steady, stable and patient. You will have look straight ahead of you and not to be handle or pedal or anywhere else. Sit properly on the seat and hold the handle firmly. Balancing is also important, otherwise you will fall down. Be alert and ride the cycle carefully. Pay attention to the vehicles coming in your way and you should able to avoid them, or there will be a possibility of an accident. Your concentration must be only on riding. Follow the traffic rules while riding the bicycle. After more practice, you will able to learn the riding of bicycle confidently.